Kamusta mga idol? Naisipan kong mag-core at si Karina ang napili kong gamitin kaya agad natin tong binili.
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
My pleasure.
Ito ang mga nangyari matapos natin siyang gamitin.
We used to darkness nurtured. But
Retreat from the Lord! Slain an enemy! Slain an enemy!
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Uy, sana all!
So ayun, feeling pro na atin yung hahaha. Pero bago kayo maniwala, panoorin nyo mga totoong nangyari. Sana panoorin nyo itong video na ta para makita nyo paano maglaro ng Karina ang Angela main. So ito na PO ang mga mangyayari matapos nating gamitin sa classic si Karina. Sana panoorin nyo ito hanggang dulo.
my soul is mine to keep.
An enemy has been slain! You have slain an enemy! Request backup!
I don't mind getting my hands dirty.
Request backup!
For justice!
Slain the tyranny!
Is fast.
An ally has slain the turtle! Launch! Unstoppable!
We used to
Slain an enemy!
Any last words? Darkness nurtured. But
Slain an enemy!
death descends.
Ally has been... Your turret is under attack. Triple kill!
Dahil pakiramdam ko na malabo na manalo kaya nasabi ko na lang ta.
Understood. An enemy has been slain.
Ayaw nila maniwala pero kung mananalo to bibigyan ko talaga MVP.
We used to hold dear to each other.
Retreat from the Lord! Slain an enemy. Slain. Initiate retreat. Okay. Slain. Slain an enemy.
At dito na magtatapos ang laro natin. Sana sa susunod na gamitin ko si Karina ay manalo na hahaha.
Defeat.
Talo! Sorry.